Greeting everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I am very thrilled to have you back for the exciting and knowledgeable video. And in this video, I am gonna tell you how can you elevate your English fluency from scratch. So one thing I like to share with you that I've already made a couple of videos about how can you learn English in the rural area. So one thing I like to share with you that you need to have a strong reason, because if you don't have any strong reason, so you will get lots of difficulties to learn this language, because uh, when we try to learn anything, so that time we have any purposes, we have some purposes for learning anything. So that's why that's called reason. So this is why I only want to suggest you that if you want to learn English, so firstly, before learning English, you need to have reasons like why should you learn English. And if you ask me that why should I learn English, so from my perspective, there are not there are many reasons for learning this language, and especially in this AI revolutionary era. So you will definitely learn, you must learn this language, because in this era, in the AI revolutionary era, English becomes not compulsory. English becomes you know you must learn this language, so it becomes like this. So this is why. Second is like, English is a global language, and it doesn't matter where you live and where you are trying to get for any kind of thing like job or for making your life better. So in those cases, English will be better, not English will be a weapon for you, a weapon for your living, for your life. It doesn't matter where you live. So this is why English is compulsory. English is everything for you. So this is why you need to have a strong reason. And I think when I started learning this language, so that time I had some reasons for learning this language, and believe me, those reasons forced me to learn this language. However, it was complex for me, but it was the bliss of my Lord that I try to learn this language. So one thing I like to share with you that how, if there is a problem, that how can you understand native speaker, because however I've been learning this language for over 2 years, but still, right now, I feel difficulties to understand the native speaker, especially when I watch the video on the YouTube. So this is why, how can you uh, recognize what a native speaker says in the videos? So one thing I like to share with you that firstly, you need to watch a couple of videos of native speakers where they speak fluent English so fast that we are that all the things goes over our mind. So this is why, firstly, that you need to watch some videos, at least 2 to 3 videos per day. You need to dedicate 20 to 40 minutes per day on listening, because uh, I think listening as crucial as speaking. So if you speak better, but if you don't watch the video, if you don't listen anybody, so how can you elevate your English fluency or English speaking? So this is why, and I am talking about those people who are living in the rural area, because they don't have any guy, so they can talk with them. So this is why, you have only one thing, but it's a great weapon for you to face any kind of difficulties, and that's a phone. So I think you have to watch at least 2 to 3 videos per day, especially the native speaker, the videos of native speaker. However, in the beginning of the time, you will get difficulties to understand, to recognize what they are saying, what kind of words they are using. But as time pass, everything will be effortless for you. So this is why, one thing I like to share with you that you have to uh, watch couple of videos per day. And I always try to watch videos, but especially of native speaker, because I believe that if I become eligible to understand the native speaker, so I can easily understand the Indian speaker who are fluent in this language. Because if you think about Indians, so it's a bliss of my life that I can easily understand what they are saying. But in the terms of foreigners, who are the native, like who are the most native, because English has been their mother tongue. So this is why uh, I get some difficulties in understanding their feelings, their words. So this is why I always try to watch a couple of videos per day, and that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. And I hope that you must have understood this word. And if you wanna see my background, so you can see that I've come here to grace the gods, and there are a few gods which I like to show you. You can see that I have come here, and there are many gods. You can see that they are grazing, and because you need to have a strong reason, bro, for learning this language. Because I am not talking about only English, but I am talking about a lot of, like, for anything you want to learn. So you need to have a strong reason, because without strong reason you can't learn any kind of thing, even if English. So this is why I hope that you must have a learn something from this video, because I get only 2 GB per day. So this is why I don't want to make the long video, but I believe that you must have learned lots of things from this video. So I'm gonna end this video, and let's meet with the next. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.